Windows air conditioners, also known as window AC units, are self-contained appliances that are installed in windows or through walls to cool a single room or a specific area. Here's how they work. 1. Taking in warm air. Air intake. The unit has a fan and vents on the back. The fan pulls warm air from the room into the unit. 2. Cooling process. Refrigeration cycle. Inside the unit, there is a refrigeration cycle that includes a compressor, condenser coils, and evaporator coils. A refrigerant gas is compressed in the compressor, turning it into a high-pressure, high-temperature gas. Condensation. The hot, pressurized gas flows through the condenser coils located on the outside part of the unit. Here, the gas releases heat and condenses into a high-pressure liquid. Expansion. The high-pressure liquid refrigerant then flows through an expansion valve, where it rapidly expands and becomes a low-pressure, low-temperature liquid gas mixture. 3. Cooling the air. Evaporation. The low-pressure, low-temperature refrigerant flows through the evaporator coils inside the unit, where it evaporates and absorbs heat from the indoor air. As a result, the air inside the unit becomes cooler. 4. Releasing cool air. Air circulation. The unit's fan blows the cool air back into the room, reducing the indoor temperature. 5. Removing moisture. Condensate removal. As warm air passes over the cold evaporator coils, moisture in the air condenses into water droplets. This moisture is collected in a pan and drained outside through a drain pipe or released through the unit's exhaust system. 6. Maintaining temperature. Thermostat control. The unit is equipped with a thermostat that senses the room temperature. When the set temperature is reached, the compressor cycles off, but the fan continues to circulate the air to maintain the desired temperature. When the room temperature rises above the set level, the compressor turns back on, and the cooling cycle restarts. 7. Exhausting hot air. Hot air discharge. The hot air generated during the refrigeration cycle is expelled outside through the back or sides of the unit, maintaining the overall efficiency of the cooling process. Window air conditioners are relatively simple and effective for cooling individual rooms or small spaces, making them a popular choice for residential and commercial applications. Thank you for listening. Please check out the video description for much more detail.